Dear students, in this video we'll deal with methods of preparation of hydrogen. We already discussed that the principal sources of preparation of hydrogen are water, acids and alkalis. Organic compounds cannot be used as a source of preparation of hydrogen as the method is too complicated. So these three are the compounds. Out of that as well, water is very important because water is present in plenty, so we can use this water for large scale preparation of hydrogen. The method by which hydrogen is prepared from water is said to be electrolysis. So, the first method of preparation of hydrogen from water is electrolysis of water. Electrolysis is a process in which a chemical change happens in a substance due to passage of electric current or due to energy of electric current. So in this method, that is electrolysis of water, what do? We decompose water molecule by the passage of electric current into hydrogen and oxygen. Children, by heating water cannot be decomposed. It means thermal decomposition of water is not possible because when we heat, it gets converted from liquid to gaseous form, but it does not decompose. So for that purpose, the energy of electric current is used. We pass electric current through water in a specially designed apparatus known as electrolytic cell, and we use in this not pure water but acidulated water. Acidulated water means water mixed with few drops of strong acid like H2SO4. The reason for this you already know, that pure water is a bad conductor of electric current. So for helping the water to carry or pass the electric current, we add few drops of acid. So acid, because water mixed with good conductor of electricity like acids or bases or salts can be a good conductor, but pure water or distilled water is not a good conductor of electricity. So when electric current is passed through acidulated water acidulated, then it breaks down into hydrogen and oxygen due to energy of electric current. The specially designed apparatus, as we discussed, is said to be electrolytic cell, in which we fill acidulated water. This inverted electrolytic cell is connected to battery. This small line and big line is the symbol of cell. The smaller line for negative terminal, bigger line for positive terminal. But if there are more than one cell, one by one, then this combination of cell is said to be battery. So this is battery. This is switch from which we can on and off to pass the electric current to the acidulated water present in electrolytic cell. So as this terminal is negative, so the platinum electrode, there are two platinum electrode connected to the wire of the battery. The negative terminal is connected to one of the platinum electrode, and this one is said to be cathode because connected to negative one. Both together are platinum electrodes, but out of which this one is cathode and this one is anode. And on both the platinum electrodes we have inverted a water-full test tube. In the starting of the reaction, test tube were filled up to this part. We won't say top, it is actually bottom because the test tubes are inverted. So these were filled fully, but when current passes and water molecule decomposes to give hydrogen and oxygen, then at cathode hydrogen get deposited, and when it produced being a gas, it rises up and water moves down. Same about the oxygen. When oxygen is produced, oxygen get deposited at anode, and when it moves up, then water moves down. So where after passage of electric current for a certain time, we observe that water level in both the test tube have come down, but the test tube above anode is having some volume of gas. The test tube above cathode is having double volume of that. Later when we test, then we come to know that here the gas is hydrogen and here the gas is oxygen. So we don't only come to know by this method that water molecule is composed of hydrogen and oxygen, but we also come to know that hydrogen, as we get double in volume in comparison to oxygen, it means hydrogen is double in number in the molecule of water in comparison to oxygen. And we already know that there are 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 of oxygen in water molecule, and when we decompose, then also 2 molecules of hydrogen and 1 molecule of oxygen is produced by decomposition. Therefore hydrogen is double in the volume and oxygen is half of the hydrogen in the volume. So by this method we can prepare hydrogen, and as water is present in plenty, so this method is used for preparation of hydrogen on large scale. In the next video we will discuss the method of preparation of hydrogen from acids and alkalis.